Stand tall, speak well. Mastering posture for storytelling. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to talk about something you may not always associate with language learning, but it's vital to effective communication: your posture. This is part of our Developing Speaking Skills Through Storytelling and Jokes series. In this episode, we will focus on practicing good posture for effective storytelling. When we tell a story or a joke, it's not only about the words we say. It's also about how we present ourselves. Your body language, especially your posture, communicates much more than you might think. A straight, confident posture can make you appear more credible and engaging. On the contrary, a poor posture can distract your audience and even undermine your message. Let's learn how to use this to our advantage. Good posture involves several elements. First, your spine should be straight. Avoid slouching or leaning too much to one side. Next, make sure your shoulders are relaxed and slightly pulled back. They shouldn't be hunched or too stiff. Lastly, your head should be up, looking directly at your audience. This indicates that you're confident and ready to engage with them. Now, you may wonder how to improve your posture. Here's a quick exercise. 1. Stand against a wall. Make sure your shoulders and buttocks touch the wall. This will give you a feel of what a straight posture should be like. 2. Practice walking with a book balanced on your head. It's an old trick, but it works wonders for maintaining a straight head. 3. Perform simple shoulder rolls. This helps release tension and promotes a more relaxed and natural posture. Remember, practice makes perfect. Make it a habit to check on your posture throughout the day. In storytelling and joke telling, your posture can significantly enhance your performance. A good posture allows you to take full, deep breaths, which can help to project your voice better. Moreover, when you maintain an open posture, your audience is more likely to feel connected to you. So, stand tall. Engage your audience with your eyes, and let your good posture enhance your storytelling and joke-telling skills. That wraps up our discussion on the role of good posture in storytelling. Remember, your body language speaks volumes before you utter a word. So, stand tall, look confident, and let your stories shine. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning adventure. Stay tuned, and keep practicing.